The next circle theorem we're looking at is that to do with a cyclic quadrilateral. And we know that opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add to 180 degrees. So that means that A and B is 180 and C and D is 180. This cyclic quadrilateral is different to the quadrilateral that we looked at for the angles at the circumference and the centre in the previous video. This cyclic quadrilateral has all four corners on the circumference. So if it has all four corners, then it's a cyclic quadrilateral and this rule applies. If it's only three corners on the circumference and one at the centre, then the angle at the centre is twice that at the circumference rule applies. The next circle theorem that we're looking at is to do with a tangent. And a tangent makes a 90-degree angle with the radius. So this angle here is 90 degrees. That means on questions such as this one here, we know that this is 90 and this is 90, and this shape in itself is a quadrilateral, so all of its angles must add up to 360 degrees. You also know that if I split it into a triangle, this triangle must add up to 180 degrees. So the last circle theorem that we're going to look at is called alternate segment theorem. Now in your exam, you would always use tracing paper to check that you've got this question right. Essentially, this angle here is the same as this angle here, but you can check that with your tracing paper, and then this angle here is the same as this angle here.